I will just have. I will sit in here. I'll sit here. I don't know. Should I want lemon? Should I want lemon or watermelon? Grocery shopping? No, I'm not grocery shopping. Ana naman di. Kuha niya. Ha? Wanay, kani? Lemon? Lemon na lang, oy. Lemon. No, I'm not going grocery shopping. No jail time. No jail time. Why would you go to jail? Ano lang? Ha? Large lang. Large ni? Ano lang isa? Pila? 18. Okay. 8 peso guys. 80 peso for large. So, mm, 80 peso for ayun. Or just going around. I went to pay my bills. I went to pay my PLDT Wi-Fi here in SM. And I stopped at the market. Before I came here, and I got some stuff in there. I got stuff for the market. For my store. And then I am carrying it.
One burger remains here. Burger and here.
Ngayon nag-link ko dito. Ay, I got change. Thank you. So let's eat banana. Let's eat banana turon. There's two flavor.